Neapolitan style calzone with mushroom, shiitake and trumpet mushrooms, ricotta cheese, parmesan, and fior di latte mozzarella as well. 200 grams dough, so it's relatively smaller than the pizza dough, and we're gonna kind of make the disc without a crust. No cornicione needed in this. Should make it a little bigger. Okay. Now we're gonna put first to put the ricotta cheese. Those guys. Everybody around me loves cheese, so I always do extra cheese when I think, or more than what I think I should do. Parmesan. This is the mushrooms. No salami here. They don't want to eat processed meat. Let me try to flip it. That's it. Ready to go on the peel. In this we're gonna cook it almost by the door of the oven. Doesn't need the extra heat. And let's open it like that. Let's add some as a decoration. A little bit of basil. Let me see if I can take this excess. No. Okay, let's take it there. This will take normally longer, about 2 minutes. Very nice looking calzone. Very nice. Almost ready. The train is about to take off. I dome it a little bit for the stop. Just like nothing. Look how nice. That's work of art. Some olive oil, and let's cut it into 3 pieces. nice calzone. Which one? The middle?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, no, come on close. You didn't lose nothing. I'll try myself. Oh, look how beautiful. Nice calzone.
Okay, let's eat.